Hello, I'm Mike.
And I'm Molly.
And welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. Yeah, so we're excited that you're here with us. And if you've been following along on our series, then you noticed last month we were in the same spot. This is a house in Fair Oaks Ranch where we've been working on the last couple of months. And it looked very different last time. But before I forget, I wanted to announce that we are now an 8-time winner, 8 years in a row of Best of House for customer service. So, woo! And it takes a lot of work to get to have the best customer service in the construction industry. So we're really proud of that. And second announcement is that we are the finalists in 2 categories for the inaugural San Antonio Magazine
Home and Design
Awards. So we'll know whether we won or not in one or both categories next week. So we'll share that with you on our social media when we find out. So anyway.
But enough of the self-glanderizing.
Yes.
Let's talk about the project. So if you might have seen last time, the cabinets weren't in that time, but now they are. The only cabinet that we actually kept was the island.
Yeah.
It was a different color before. We just painted it the same stone colors, the one on that back wall. These are all custom cabinets made to the space. We really like them. They're all solid wood. Some of the cool features that are pretty much standard on all the stuff we do now is soft close. So if you go to slam it, it doesn't slam.
So you have teenagers in your house?
Yeah. Or
as we have.
Or somebody else.
Yeah.
So this is called a stone color, which is really nice. Kind of breaks up the white of some of the exterior cabinets. When you hear certain sounds, because people are in the other house, part of the house working.
It is behind the drywall.
That's right.
After.
And then, of course, even the drawers as well are soft close.
Oh yeah. And so here's a lot of what's happening is we've got electrical going on, as you can hear, and we also have in that space and a few other spaces we've got some awesome black stainless appliances that are coming in, and they are here. We're very happy about that. This is the hardware that's going in. So these are your little clamshells. So those will go right here, here, on all the drawers. And then on the cabinets, we're going to do some little pulls. So they'll just kind of go all over. And that's happening with cabinet adjustments.
Yeah, so once the countertops are going in tomorrow, which is really going to be cool. And once the countertops are in, then we adjust all the cabinets and we put in all the hardware. One of the other features we have, I'll walk over here, on this cabinet over here, is, so even on some of these cabinets, we actually have plugs inside so they can have places to plug in their appliances.
And they were all measured to their exact appliances. So before we even designed it all, we knew the list of all the appliances they had, the measurements and everything, so we could fit their kitchen to their lifestyle.
And they have a lot of appliances. This is cool. It's basically like a secondary pantry is what we made this. So you have rollouts in here. This pantry was existing. We wanted to go ahead and keep it because it's kind of nice. Obviously new under cabinet lights, new LED lighting. So that's where we're at now. We figure about another 2 weeks or so, maybe a little longer, and we should be pretty much done with this project, I think.
And some of the things we did with the cabinets, and we have another episode on troubleshooting, right? Field adjustments. So one of the field adjustments we made on this project was right over here.
Right. So we actually have an oven we're saving, an oven and microwave that we're saving, a new oven that's going in here. And we decided the way that it was built, we wanted to add more drawers. So that's why we have a couple of blank spaces. So we're actually adding more drawers in for the client. So that's kind of what's going on with the cabinets. One more thing.
And we didn't have floors.
Right, we didn't have floors last time. We just had a picture of the floors. This is luxury vinyl, waterproof. It's a really durable product. It's almost indestructible. Now the floor's in, and it's all throughout the house. So we wanted to have one level of flooring throughout the house, so it's much easier to walk across.
Yeah, so there's a lot of few things. This was where there was a bar. There was a whole wall right here, and now there's not. I can walk right through, and you can see your guests and
walking
things
through
like
the
that.
bar.
Yeah. So that's a lot of what's going on here. Countertops, like Mike said, are going in next week.
Yep.
Their backsplash is going in once the countertops are in, and the backsplash is beautiful. I
That's cool.
absolutely love the backsplash.
You'll get to see that next time.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. So we hope you enjoyed getting to see a little behind the scenes. This is our behind the drywall. We love comments, so if you have any comments, please.
Positive comments.
Please leave the positive comments. And subscribe to our channel, and then you'll get all of the stuff that we do every month.
Thanks.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Bye.